Welcome to my CAD tutor, Revit architecture tutorials. In these video tutorial, I will show you how to add skirting to a wall. First, you need to create a skirting profile. To create a profile, click on New Families. And select the profile template from the given list and press Open. Now create the skirting profile by using Line command under Create tab, Detail panel. Save the file and rename it by pressing Ctrl S. After saving the file, click on Load into the project under the Family Editor. Select the 150 mm wall and go to Edit Type, and click on Edit, then click on Preview and set the View option to Section. To add the skirting profile, click on Sweeps button, and press Add. Choose the profile from the drop-down menu, and select the side interior and press OK. Zoom to wall lower side to check the skirting appearance. You can also define the material for skirting. To assign the material, go to Sweep option and then browse the material from here. For instance, I am going to create new ivory white material. Then press OK and close all the open window. And now you can check in the 3D view that how your skirting profile is looking. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.